All right, guys, welcome back to the Crypto Boys. Joe P here with you with some breaking news, I guess. I have been super bullish lately. Everything is down. The world is ending. Good time to accumulate. World's not ending. I'm just kidding. But we have some bullish news. We've had a bullish outbreak today. I don't know what the heck is going on. The world is in turmoil. There's war going on, and Bitcoin is breaking out like crazy. So we are going to dive into the charts, and I'm going to show you this Bitcoin and this other coin that you should probably be looking at right now because it is hot. Okay, guys, here we are, coin market cap. Right now, Bitcoin is sitting at $39,712. It has been bouncing back and forth today. It got up to exactly almost $40,000 earlier today. That looks like at 6:44 p.m. U.S. time here, Central Standard Time, and it has been just kind of on an uptrend. Now, if we're looking back at the last 7 days, it's kind of exactly where it was about a week ago, right at that $40,000 mark. That is definitely a line of resistance. It has been a support as well, but right now it's acting as some resistance to us. So I'm curious to see if we're going to bounce off of it and go back down, because clearly we are down at 34K. Just a couple days ago, we had this massive run up right here, and we're testing that 40K again. So curious to see what does happen. Let's switch over to TradingView. All right, guys, so this was today. This is the 4-hour chart looking at Bitcoin. We had this broadening wedge here, which tends to break to the upside. It tends to be very, very bullish, which it did right here. So once we crossed this line here, we took that upswing. But again, guys, we're looking at that 40K mark. 40K mark has been, a lot of resistance and support over the last couple weeks. I mean, hanging out right in through here. We have a lot of that 40K, terrible drawn line there, and it's acted as resistance and support previously, guys. So very, very curious to see what happens as of right now. Definitely waiting, because we've had a couple of these outbreaks of these, bigger trend lines previously, and I don't know if it's just another mini little relief rally, or with everything else going on in the world right now, there's really simply no telling. Now, the other project that I have been super bullish on for a long time, it was one of the first coins that I did get invested into. I had no idea what it was. Once I started diving deeper into it, I really, really do like the project. It is Luna, Terra Luna. I've made a video on it before. I'll probably make videos on it again, but I want to go over the price action of that because it is absolutely ripping right now. If you are a Luna holder, now might be a good time to take some profits, because this bad boy is ripping. Let's look at it. Okay, guys, so currently we're sitting right at about $73, $74. This is the 4-hour chart. So, this is pretty much 8 o'clock last night. We were sitting down at $52. So looking at it right here, this is what I wanted to kind of show you guys, is that it did have this really, really big breakout, kind of baby corrected earlier today, and is back up at this line here. This $75 mark is about where it's at. Now, previously, if we're looking back in the charts, this $80 mark has been kind of a position, just like we were talking a little bit ago about some, previous support and resistance. I mean, multiple times here, this $80 mark has been very, very important for that. So I would be curious to see if we do go up and hit that $80 mark. If we do, I think it'd be tough to break through it with the amount of, just current dollar amount in the market. But who knows? If it gets rejected off of this and starts coming down soon, I'd be curious to see if it hangs out above 67. If it does not, if it breaks below it, probably that next trend line is going to be about $60 here, which again has been a little bit of support, a little bit of resistance, kind of bouncing back and forth a couple weeks ago there. So I'd be curious to see exactly what that happens. Again, just a super quick little update of what's going on in the market. I know there's turmoil over the world right now. There's a lot of stuff going on globally, but in the charts, I always want to look at the charts and see what is going on. Are you going to buy something? Are you going to sell something? Are you going to do a short? Are you going to do a long? A lot to think about here. Everything's up in the air right now, so I'd be overly cautious on putting on any leverage trading, anything like that. I probably wouldn't do that, but again, now might be those relief times where it'd be a good time to take some profits if you do have the potential option of that. Maybe it's a good time to do some swing trading, looking at maybe 8 to 15% here and there grabbing a bag of it when it's low, selling it when it goes up 10 to 15%, and just saying, hey, I'm okay with that 10% profit. I don't think it's going to explode to the moon right now, but that's just me personally. So as always, guys, thanks for being with the Fittest Crypto channel on YouTube, keeping you informed every single day. We got lots of videos, so make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Make sure that you like the video. It helps push the content out to everyone else. Peace.